good thing in my mind. Safe to take a step out. Kiss on it now. Let your head down. To some iceberg, you'll be happy.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So basically in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this cute protective hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I achieved this look, definitely stay tuned. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and of course give this video a like if you want to see more hair tutorials. And if you'd like to see more videos from us on this channel, we do hair videos, fashion videos, makeup videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stay tuned and definitely check them out after this video. But yeah, let's get right into this tutorial. So guys, let's get right into this hairstyle. I'm actually starting off with my hair. It's moisturized and ready to go basically. So I'm gonna go into what you need for this hairstyle. You will need your gel. I love this Shine and Jam. I've been loving it these past few weeks. If you guys have been seeing my other hair videos, if you haven't seen them, I'll definitely leave a playlist up here. I've done a lot of videos with this so you can see like how it works and how well it works. But yeah, I really like it. Next, you'll need a hard soft bristle brush, some clips, some rubber bands, obviously, a pick or anything to basically comb your hair, and I use this to part my hair as well, and some bobby pins because that's important. And of course you'll also need some braiding hair. This is the same braiding hair that I used recently as well in my long pony and my bubble pony, so definitely check those videos out. But I love this because yeah, it worked out really well, so I think it's gonna work out well for this hairstyle too. So the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is part my hair. Yeah, I'm doing this, I'm gonna do like 4 big sections, but I want them to be asymmetrical, so I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair in that fashion, so just bear with me guys. Okay, so my camera cut off, but as you can see, I already did 2 off camera, and I'm going to show you guys how I do these 2 sections. I'm only doing 4 sections, guys, just because I want this to be simple. So yeah, I already sectioned them off. I tried doing kind of a design, but I feel like I probably didn't do that well, but it's okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Shine and Jam gel and just put it on the edges of the section. You don't need that much, but you know, put some so that it helps like sleek it down. And then as I get more to the back, like I put less obviously because I don't need that much. And I just kind of winged it with like sectioning off these sections. I didn't try doing like anything too symmetrical or anything like that, so that's why they look like that. But if you want like to do a different design than me, go ahead, you guys be my guest. So yeah, after I section that off, I'm gonna go with my hard soft bristle brush and just brush that gel through a little bit. And then now what I'm gonna do, instead of braiding, I'm going to do something very simple and just do 2-strand twists. So 2-strand twists are easier than like doing braids, so that's why I wanted to do this hairstyle for you guys that don't necessarily know how to cornrow. So I'm just going to go ahead and section off a little piece from the front, just like so. And then I'm going to separate that in 2. Oh, and now I'm showing you guys with like my left side, so it's gonna be a little harder, but yeah, so I sectioned it off in 2 because 2-strand twists, obviously you need 2. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just take it and twist it. So I don't really know like in what direction I twisted the other ones. I kind of forgot, but I'm just gonna go with the flow and just twist it towards the side of this braid. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just twist it. I twisted it twice. Now I'm gonna go and pick up some of the hair. And then I'm gonna pick up some of the other hair. And then I'm gonna twist it again. And that's just how you add hair to this thing. So you keep twisting like this, and then you add some hair. So I'm gonna add over here. And then you're just gonna twist it. I basically twist it like on top. Like the section that's in my left hand usually goes on top. And then I'm just gonna keep doing that all until I get down to the end of the hair. And as I go down, I take bigger section, like I add in more hair than at the top, because obviously it's like a gradient effect. And then once you get at the bottom, just twist it all the way down for now, and then you guys will see what we will do afterwards. So yeah, this is basically what it gives me at the end, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish the last part really quickly, and then we'll move on. And make sure you take your time when you do this, guys, because yeah, especially the front parts, because you want them to be perfect. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like right now, and these are what my twists look like. I think I'm actually going to redo the end of this one because I kind of messed it up a little bit, but this is what they look like. Nothing too fancy, but yeah, we're basically going to be putting them together. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. I'm going to take my braiding hair and go ahead and basically like make a little ponytail with the little hairs that I have. So there was already a rubber band on this because I used it, but basically I'm going to take all of the ends of those twists and kind of tie it where I want it to be into a low ponytail. So I'm gonna tie this around that, and that's basically how we are starting. So basically now the hair is basically on top of that ponytail, as you can see. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding. But before I braid, I'm going to remove a section that I'm gonna use to basically like hide the hair. So this is the section. I'm just going to go ahead and keep it here, and the rest I'm gonna use. I'm actually going to pin it so that I don't like confuse it. And I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding. I'm just going to separate in 3, and I'm gonna use those little ends and just hide them inside the braid. So just separate it evenly and then start braiding. And as you can see, it's pretty easy to like hide the hair inside the braid or inside the braiding hair. Okay, so I braided pretty far down, but I think I'm gonna stop here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my rubber band and just tie the end of the braid so the braid doesn't unravel. And I'll go ahead and like cut it and stuff later because right now it just ain't the time. So I have this like long piece that just, you know, but basically I'm gonna take this, and what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm gonna use to cover around the hair, just to make sure that like it's well, you know, like well hidden. So I'm just gonna smooth that out and just go around that braid and just roll it multiple times. And I'm gonna go until like basically it's all around. Okay, so this is basically it. This is what the braid looks like. And it's not that bad. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs, and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. So guys, basically this is the finished look. This is what it looks like, and this is my braid. It's not too long. It goes like almost at my hip, so it's not that long, but I think it's perfect. So yeah, this is a cute and quick hairstyle that you can do and just, you know, rock for a few days if you want to do a protective style, especially during the winter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share this with anyone you think it might help. And thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
She be mine, mine on love. Sweetie on love, say she be mine, mine on love. Say sweetie on love.